Unlock the secrets to crafting immersive and uplifting progressive melodic house tracks that will captivate your listeners. We'll dive deep into creating those unforgettable melodies, building expansive soundscapes, and forging irresistible grooves that define this beloved genre. First, let's focus on melody. The heart of our track often lies in a simple yet evocative lead. We'll start by exploring chord progressions that lend themselves to this uplifting feel, perhaps a classic major or minor 7 progression to give it that emotional depth. Experiment with arpeggiators to quickly generate rhythmic and melodic patterns from your chords. Vary the rate and pattern to find something that feels both driving and melodic. Don't be afraid to layer multiple synth sounds, one focusing on the pure tone and another adding texture or a subtle delay. Now, for those lush soundscapes, reverb and delay are your best friends here. We'll use long, spacious reverbs on our leads and pads to create that sense of atmosphere. Consider using Sidechain compression from your kick drum on these pad sounds to create a subtle pulsing effect that pushes the rhythm forward. Layering is key. Try adding warm, evolving pads that move harmonically with your melody. A good technique is to use a slowly filtered synth sound that opens up over time, adding dynamic interest to your background elements. Think about adding subtle LFO modulation to parameters like filter cutoff or panning for organic movement. Finally, let's build that driving rhythm. The kick drum is the foundation, so ensure it's punchy and well processed for the percussion. We'll use a solid kick and a crisp clap or snare on the second and fourth beats. Hi-hats are crucial for energy. Experiment with open and closed hi-hat patterns, and consider adding a subtle shaker or percussion loop to fill out the mid-frequencies. Combine these elements, tweak your sounds, and keep the energy flowing. This combination of emotive melodies, rich textures, and a powerful rhythmic backbone is how you'll create your own progressive melodic house masterpiece.